All right. So for those of you who know that rapper Kevin Gates, there's a quote that he said there. He said, "If you entertain a clown, you become part of the circus." So I'm no circus. There's a guy that commented that said, I need a dino because I'm too fat. Um, there's comments about my teeth. There's comments about uh, it's engagement, brother. Comment as much as you want, but I'm not going to entertain a clown. It doesn't bother me. I don't need to prove myself to anybody. I don't need to flip and beautify myself for anybody. This platform and these things are meant for, people that are willing to take a chance. By all means, I'm not camera fucking friendly, but we're doing it for the love of cars, and we're doing it also for um, information, for getting things out there. Whether it's just my opinion, it's fine. Listen to me. If you just, for me, it's more. I can sit and talk for an hour on something, but in that hour, if 5 minutes of what I'm saying makes sense to you, then that's my job done. You don't need to listen to the whole hour. Or let me say, you don't need to take to heart or listen to my advice for the whole hour. But if you took 5 minutes away or 2 minutes away of what I said, that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted, because we in a tough time as a country. We every cent we need to turn around. I get it daily. We're going to still try and make a video of a day in the life at my workshop, and then you understand what I'm talking about. I get people walking in here daily complaining about the vehicle they just bought. What could they have done? And then I got people phoning me about paperwork. How do they sort out certain paperwork? And even the paperwork guys that is now supposed to be paperwork guys sorting out like runners for you is robbing people. You understand? Which is, I mean, come on. My guy, you can't base your what you're doing, like you just can't do that, man. Just be real. You can't do that. You can't rob Peter to pay Paul. You can't take people's money because you in the shit. You can't take people's money because you want to buy new wheels for your car. So, and for the other lady that said sorry for my, when I said sorry for my English, she said sorry for my French. Sorry for my French, but I'm gonna say it's a complete fuck up in the game of buying and selling cars. It's a fucking circus. Let me tell you what. There's people phoning you for this, that, and the other. That's why I said I'm taking this on all Facebook. There's just, I got a guy that he WhatsApps me, not even Facebook Messenger. WhatsApps me, is the car available? I'm nice to him still because I don't want to really reply to that, but then I say to him, yes, my brother, the ad is still on Facebook, so the car is available. Then he's like, oh, okay, cool, yo, it's a beautiful car. Thank you for the comment, my brother, but why did you ask me if it's available? Like, you understand? Do you want to buy it? Don't you want to buy it? Tell me what you want to do. So, like, I promise you, I'm gonna take screenshots of everything on my WhatsApp and then I will post it. It's ridiculous. You don't understand. You're wasting somebody's time. You understand? If you feel the car is too expensive, or you feel that it costs too much to buy, or it's not worth it for you, move on. Why do you send me a message and then you offer me fucking 20,000 rand less than what I got the car up for? It's self-explanatory. The answer is no. You know what I mean? So I'm not buying the car to buy. I'm not selling the car to buy another car to sell. I was doing it so that we can move on with the content. But for now,
people asking, do you buy and sell?
no, I don't buy and sell. No, I don't buy and sell cars, because I'll buy and sell cars again when the industry starts correcting itself. But I don't want to be put in a box with the rest of the scalums. And Yeah, that's the reason I don't buy and sell cars. I don't have time for it. I don't have time for. I'll sell whatever I build if I want to do something else. So I'm basically funding my own hobby that way, if you want to put it like that. So all my other cars I sold to build other cars. You know, it's not a buying and selling. I'm not selling. I've been in that game, been there, done that, got the trophy and the t-shirt. I was in the box with everybody else, and it's not nice. So it's not a nice game to get into. And also with all the information you got out here now, I mean AI, Google, all that. So everybody's clever. You know fuck all, but you come in here and you're very clever. You know what I mean? Coming to tell me about this and that and the other to drop the price. So it's not a good game to be in. Yes, there's people that's making big money out of it, but I choose not to. Money is not everything. So if you like our content, like, comment and subscribe on YouTube. We're on TikTok. We're going to be live on TikTok at the breakfast run. I'll see you guys there.